In this video, you'll learn about all of the benefits in eating healthy. Now, before we get to the benefits in eating healthy, let me ask you a question. Did you know that eating nutritiously is one of the most important things you can do to enhance and maintain your health? A healthy diet can balance out your body and allows it to function in its most efficient state. Eating nutritionally balanced meals helps the body to work to its full potential, which is particularly important for people living with busy and tight schedules, or just people who are constantly feeling not energized and easily falling sick. Many people find that they can improve their quality of life and sense of well-being simply by focusing on the aspects of health that can be controlled and changed, like a healthy diet. As well, healthy eating can also stop or slow down the advancement of numerous chronic sicknesses like heart disease and diabetes, osteoporosis, and a few types of cancer. Eating healthy can also help you deal better with both physical and mental strain, operations, and even the common cold or influenza. Now, let's talk about the fundamentals of healthy living. 1. Consume an assortment of nutritious foods. 2. Eat in moderation. 3. Size matters, so limit your portions. Eating healthy can promote a lot of benefits to your body and also your life in general. When we eat the right kind of food, we are allowing the body to be properly nourished. Hence, as a result, we will be able to gain health benefits from our healthful efforts. There are 5 benefits altogether, which include that it can improve your immune system, it enhances your mood, your mental health, your energy, and you live longer. Number 1. It can improve your immune system. Good nutrition is essential to a strong immune system, which may offer protection from seasonal illness like the flu and other health problems, including cancers, arthritis, abnormal cell development, and allergies. A lot of sickness can be prevented if the right precaution is taken. Help protect yourself against infection and boost your immunity by including these nutrients into your eating plan. With a strong immune system, you're going to feel constantly boosted with energy and strength to carry out daily activities. Number 2, enhance your mood. And not just that, eating healthy can have a positive impact on your life by leading to a more sustained, elevated mood. Oh, and it can reduce stress as well. A healthy cognitive system is essential to regulating mood, and certain nutrients have a profound impact on maintaining normal brain function. When your body is in a chronic state of stress, it breaks down protein to prepare for battle, but certain foods have the ability to moderate the body's level of cortisol, the stress hormone. Number 3, boost your mental health. Nutrition is a key contributor to good mental health. It is one of the most obvious, yet under-recognized factors in the development of major trends in mental health. Food plays an important contributing role in the development, management, and prevention of specific mental health problems like schizophrenia, depression, and attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, as well as Alzheimer's disease. Here are 5 foods that keep the mind working at its best: lean protein, leafy greens, fatty fish, whole grain, yogurt with active cultures. Number 4, boost your energy. Eating the right nutritive food can also boost your energy levels, making you prepared to face each day. Food can boost energy by supplying calories, by pushing your body to burn more calories more efficiently, and in some cases, by delivering caffeine. When you have an energized body and clear mind, it also increases our brain power. Eating healthy food can ensure you to achieve a balanced nutrition that can help to regulate your brain activity to fuel your mental power that will get you through your busiest days. 5. Live longer. Did you know that emerging nutrition science research, as well as data collected from people in their 90s and beyond, shows what, when, and how we eat has a profound influence on how long we live? Around the world, certain groups of people enjoy exceptionally long lives. Consider the lucky people of Okinawa. These Pacific Islanders have an average life expectancy of more than 81 years, compared to 78 in the United States and a worldwide average of just 67. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables, high in nutrients, and low in calories is your best bet for a long life. It is vital for health and maintenance of your body. Some of the foods include broccoli, grapes, salad, avocado, olive oil, berries, and beans, along with grains and seeds, less red meat, fish, bananas, and organic food.